Avenue. Look who I'm having coffee with. Hey, look, I'm having trouble connecting. Here you go. So, hey, coconut coffee tomorrow, right?
Yep, absolutely. Every Saturday we have coconut coffee.
Best
day of the week.
Coconut coffee. You know what? I like the blueberry coffee. Now, Monday is blueberry.
Yeah, we're currently having, we're a little short on our blueberry coffee, so hopefully we'll get it in today and we'll have it again on Monday, but
okay, but
maybe not.
Today we got red velvet.
Red velvet today. Yep.
Good morning. How you doing? You want to go live with us?
Okay.
Okay, because we can get you in. We'll fit you in, put you in the show.
This is a face for radio. I appreciate it, though.
Oh, that's funny. I use that line all the time. Okay, so we're down here. What else? What else we got going on here? You told me somebody important's coming to Topeka.
Yeah, well, you know, it's somebody who's a little bit famous. Maybe some people might have heard of him. Bob Dylan is coming.
Now, where's he going to be?
He's going to be at TPAC on March 30th. And the tickets go on sale today to the general public at 10 o'clock.
There you go. We got Bob Dylan coming to town.
Tickets are going fast, so get them quick.
How could they go fast? They're not even for sale yet.
Well, the pre-sale...
They're going to go fast.
The pre-sale was yesterday at 10 o'clock. The general public...
Do you know how many sold?
I do not, but I bought some yesterday morning, and when I jumped on right at 10 o'clock, and I was number 145 in line. So...
Oh, wow.
They were going quick yesterday. He sells out almost everywhere, so we'll probably...
Okay, so we got Bob Dylan coming to town. Hey, you know, I was in here the other day, and you couldn't get a seat in this place for lunch. That was great. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Where were you?
I was...
You were out smoking a cigar.
Probably. Whenever I'm not here, it seems to get busier, so I'm thinking I'm going to leave more often.
Anyway, if you're out and about, come down, have a cup of coffee. If you... the first person to come in says, Henry McClure said he'd buy me a cup of coffee, I'm buying you a cup of coffee. Just go, but you got to say these words. I saw that I can get it. Well, let's just say Henry McClure live. How's that? We'll keep it simple.
Keep it simple.
Keep it simple.
Keep it simple.
And ask for Superman. He knows me. I'm live down here at Juli's, enjoying some of the red velvet coffee. I don't know what red velvet means. I know there was a song.
That's blue velvet.
She wore blue velvet. Who sang that? Bobby Vinton? All right. Hey, also, too, if you run into Marshall Barber in town, man, I miss doing the Topeka Factor with him. You know,